Hi everyone. Today we'll be discussing this question from D School 2009 option A entrance test paper. This is question 11. So go ahead and pause the video till you note down the question and read the question and understand the options, and then I will guide you through the solution for the question. Now let's look at the information that is given. You have been told that your budget is such that you can purchase two goods X and Y in a way that you can either purchase 4 units of X and 6 units of Y. That means if you spend all your money on 4 units of X and 6 units of Y, you will be able to exhaust your money, and this will be the combination that you can purchase. Or your money is also good enough to purchase 12 units of X and 2 units of Y. That means you can afford this bundle 12, 2 as well. Given this, if you spend all your income on X, that means you don't purchase any of Y, what are the maximum units of X that you can purchase? So let's see how to go about this question. First, note that no information about the prices or the actual income is given to us. So let's say that let the price of X be Px and the price of Y be Py. Also let the actual income be M. Now what do we know? That the bundle 4, 6 is affordable. So if we write the budget line, that is XPX plus YPY equal to M, this 4, 6 is going to satisfy this budget line. So we will replace X and Y denote here units of X and units of Y. We will replace that by 4 and X, and we will get the equation 4Px plus 6Py equals M. Similarly, 12, 2 is also an affordable bundle. So we get the equation 12Px plus 2Py, which will also be equal to M. Now because both of these are equal to M, we can make one equation using these two equations by just equating the left hand side. So using this we get this equation. So I have equated 4Px plus 6Py equal to 12Px plus 2Py. Rearranging this equation, what do we get? We get 4Py equals 8Px. That means Py equals 2Px. So we have got just a relation between Py and Px now. We will put this back into any of the budget lines that we already have. So using this now, I am using it in the first equation, which is 4Px plus 6Py. Instead of Py, I will write it in terms of Px, which is the relation that I have got, and that gives me 4Px plus 12Px equals M, which is 16Px equals M, which gives me now M by Px equals 16. So M by Px means that if I spend all income on X, M by Px is the number of units of X that I will be able to purchase. So given this, our correct option is option B. This means that if I spend all my income on X, this is the maximum number of units of X that I will be able to purchase. The other way to see this is that 16px is equal to m. That means the price and the income is such that I can exhaust all my income on 16 units of x. So I hope this clarified this question for you. Do check out our other videos from past year papers discussing past year paper solutions, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications on more such videos.